how to customize the app notifications in the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on more security settings. Next, tap on secure folder. Then we go down and tap on notifications. Then tap on app notifications. And in the list of apps, tap on the apps that you want to turn on or turn off notifications. So here I'm going to allow notifications for the app Microsoft 365 Office. And in the alert section, you can choose whether to have silent notifications or notifications with the alert sound and vibration. Below that is the notification types. You can choose whether to allow or don't allow the notifications to display on the lock screen from the secure folder, whether you want to show or hide the badge icon, and whether you want to allow or don't allow the notification pop-up from the Microsoft app within the secure folder. Finally, down here is the lock screen notifications. You can choose whether you want to show the content or hide the content. So up here is the allow section, whether you want to allow or don't allow notification coming from the app. And below that is whether you want to allow to show the content of that notification or not. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.